Houthi suicide drones are imposing a high cost on Western navies in the Red Sea, not because any of the group's munitions have hit a government vessel, but because of the multi-million-dollar expense of shooting him down. This week, a French frigate demonstrated a more cost-effective approach to defeating low and slow drone attacks: a helicopter chase. In a video released by France's defense ministry, a helicopter from an unnamed French frigate tracked a slow-moving Houthi drone as it entered the shipping lanes of the Red Sea. While not shown, the audio suggests that the aircrew's door gunner shot the UAV down. At a cost per round of about 50 cents 1.00, plus the $5 minus 10,000 hourly operating cost of the helicopter, the price of downing the drone was far less than what it would have been with the Aster air defense missiles carried by the same frigate. This is not hypothetical. A French warship recently used a multi-million-dollar Aster to destroy a drone within visual range, below. France is participating in the Red Sea air defense mission under the auspices of the EU's Operation Aspides, a strictly defensive coalition under a separate command structure from the US-led Operation Prosperity Guardian.